Ladies and gentlemen, this is pasta with peas, peas pasta, a classic Italian, just like me, a beautiful Mediterranean dish made with simple ingredients. And simplicity is always the best. Hi and welcome to Vincenzo's Plate, the place where you get to learn how to make fantastic Italian recipes. And this beautiful Mediterranean pasta, it's called pasta with peas, which has my twist. My twist is the mint. I use mint instead of basil. Let's learn together how to make it. This dish can be made with a few dollars in 10 minutes and it can feed the entire family. Oh yes. Pasta con I piselli, peas pasta. What do we need to make this wonderful pasta? We need 800 grams of fresh snow peas. They are in season and I'm gonna use them and I'm gonna peel one at a time. Oh yes, I will do that. If you don't wanna do that, use half kilo of frozen peas. That's fine. Then we're gonna use 300 grams of pasta. The pasta I've chosen are the small conchiglie, the small shells. But you can use any other short pasta that you like. Then I'm using half chopped onion, 3 tablespoons of pecorino, and some mint. Yes, mint and peas goes very well together. This dish, it's all about simplicity, okay? The main ingredient is the peas, and we want to get all the flavors out of the peas. And last but not least, salt and pepper. And extra virgin olive oil. It's very easy to buy the frozen ones, but I went to the market and I found fresh peas. So I said, I'm gonna make a recipe and I wanna use fresh ones. So here it is, look. We just opened them and here are the peas. Here are the beautiful peas. And we put the peas in there. So easy. The fresh flavor in my hands. Cut it in half and here they are. Look how beautiful these peas are. Look how beautiful they are. So lovely. If you're using frozen peas, use the same amount of the pasta. So in this case, we're using 300 grams of pasta. You use 300 grams of frozen peas. Very easy. Simplicity at its best. We start with about 4 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil and we put it on a medium-low heat. Be gentle. Now here we have our onion, which we are going to cook, saute for about 5 minutes until the onion becomes golden on a medium-low heat. The smell of onion is going into my nose. Okay, after 5 minutes of cooking the onion, look how beautiful they look. Nice and golden. Beautiful. We're now ready to add the peas. Be generous, come on, put the peas in there. All the peas should go in there. Whatever you have left here, you put them inside. Took us a long time to peel those peas. So you want to make sure you use every single one. And stir. You stir very well. Ah, yum. Nice. Beautiful. We're going to cook them now for 6 minutes, just the way they are. And at the same time, we're going to boil the pasta. The pasta I'm using today takes 12 minutes to boil. So I'm going to boil them only for 6 minutes because I'm finishing off the pasta in the pan with the peas, okay? So, in a large pot with boiling water, we're going to put 1 tablespoon of rock salt. Let's boil the pasta for 6 minutes. When you put the pasta inside, just give it a quick stir. We want to make sure the pasta moves in the boiling water. Okay, pasta, see you in 6 minutes. Now what we want to do is, we want the peas and the onion to make love together, okay? 6 minutes of love. Dedicate all your passion to this stew. The love between peas and onion has just started. Guys, be there, be present. watch them. Can you hear the song? The peas are singing a song to the onion. Can you hear it? You can't? The peas are saying, I love you, my little onion. I love you, my little friend. Can you hear it? Huh? They are making love. Before I put the pasta in there, I want to add the mint, okay? The mint loves the flavors of peas, and the peas love the mint. It's sensational, the flavors that you get, okay? So you can use basil if you don't want to use mint, but this is my touch. This is my twist on this recipe, on this classical recipe. The classic recipe use basil. I go for mint. I love mint. We keep some for later for decoration. And we want to toss some of this. Perfect. The flavors are amazing. So the peas and the onion may love together, and the mint came out. The mint is the baby. The mint is really bringing happiness to the parents. It's so beautiful. Let's put the pasta inside. All right, now the pasta has been cooking for 6 minutes. And we do the last 6 minutes in the saucepan with the peas, okay? So collect your pasta and put it in the saucepan with the peas. Now, put the pasta in there. Now we need to cover the pasta and the peas with pasta water, okay? So get pasta water and let's cover it. And here we go. We don't want to completely cover the pasta, okay? We just want to make sure that it's a little bit covered, just like that. And now we do the risottatura technique, the risottare technique. It's like if we're making a risotto. For the next 6 minutes, which is the time that the pasta needs to cook, we're going to do this, okay? We're gonna make sure the pasta cooks evenly, properly, and that's the only way to do it, to stir. What a beautiful technique this is. Now what's gonna happen here is the starch are gonna make it creamier, okay? We're not using any cream. It's not gonna be creamy the way you think it's gonna be creamy. It's gonna be creamy enough to bring love into your belly. The peas are gonna become a little bit mushy, which is gonna help to make it a little bit creamier. Basically what you get here, look, you get the pasta and the peas now making love together. I think the onions are jealous now. You see the pea go inside the pasta? This is the reason why I picked this pasta shape. You can also use di taloni, which is basically a round pasta, and it's got like a tube, and the peas go inside. But today I chose this. Let's keep cooking. We have 4 more minutes to go. If you do think you need more water, add more. But as you can see, I've got plenty of water there. All I need to do is to keep stirring. It's just amazing how food can make you happy. Simplicity. Just peas, onion, a little bit of mint, extra virgin olive oil, and you can feed the family, you know? This is incredible. You just need to think, you know? What can I eat that is good for my family, it's good for me, and fills me up? This. You need a few dollars to make this dish. All right. It is ready, and we are ready now to serve. But before we do that, it's another excuse to have another piece of pasta and peas together. Let's see if it is ready. Perfection. Beautiful texture in my mouth. Pain is gone, and now we finish off this dish. So again, more mint, fresh mint on top. Ah, love it. Oh, it's raining mint. It's raining mint. Hallelujah, it's raining mint. Hallelujah, it's raining mint. Hallelujah. This is a very important step. I've got the pecorino cheese here everywhere, okay? Put the pecorino everywhere. And what we do now is we are going to toss it, okay? We want to make it creamier, and the pecorino will allow us to do this. Look how beautiful and sexy this is. Huh? Look at that. Oh, hallelujah, it's raining peas. Hallelujah. The smell of mint is really taking this dish to the next level. Here it is. Let's serve this beautiful pasta. for my beautiful belly. Look at that, look how colorful it is. Simplicity on a plate for you guys, just for you. This is what Italian cuisine is all about. You keep it simple. Don't use cream. Cream covers all the beautiful flavors of a dish. You know, when you have beautiful ingredients, you want to taste them, you want to smell them. You don't want the cream to cover everything. Let's finish it off with some beautiful peas on top. Oh, here we go. The final touch, guys, is the beautiful mint on top. And here it is, a beautiful Mediterranean dish served on a plate for you. Now it's time to try. Look at that creamy. Look at that cream from the pecorino. And the pasta water. Hey, where are you going, pasta? Where are you going? Where are you going? Well, here it is. The best time of the video recipe. Pasta perfectly cooked. You get the peas inside each conchiglie, each shell. The mint gives the kick. It's creamy, it's smooth. Like, it's not creamy, but you got the cream on the pasta, on the peas. It's really nice, it's refreshing. It's something that you do need to try in your life. It's a great weeknight meal, you know? Beautiful kick of the peas. Gordon Ramsay will love this dish. You know, guys, how much he loves peas, and these peas, it's perfect for him. Come on, guys, take the peas to the next level. What can I say? Peace and love, it's in this dish. We'll see you in the next Vincenzo's Plate video recipe, and thank you so much as always. E ora si mangia. Vincenzo's Plate. The more I eat it, the more I want it. Oh my God, it's a light pasta, it's very light. It's very easy to eat.